Guys, welcome back to my channel Awesome Codings. I am Ansingal welcoming you to my video and my channel. Here I am back with a new video in the C programming tutorial series. So guys, in this video we have to learn about recursive functions and recursion. So guys, let's start. Before that, if you haven't accessed our playlist on the C programming tutorials, access it now. As you can see, here is my playlist. I will provide you the link in the description. Don't forget to save the playlist. I have uploaded many videos on this playlist before now. So let's start with the code. So guys, I am back in my Visual Studio Code. So what are recursions? So guys, recursive functions are some special type of functions which call themselves in their code. For example, if we define a function like any other function and call itself in the code of the function, then it will be called a recursive function. Let me show you with an example. Let me make a new file here. File, yeah, recursion.c, recursion.c. Here, let me increase the font. Hope you can see it. Adjusting the window, the main basic snippet, and then the recursive function. We have to code any function. Let it be int func1, and let me call it in itself. So guys, this is an example of recursion. This function calls itself in this codes, and then if we don't have any condition, then it will go to infinity loop. So guys, this function will go to infinity loop with a code. Let me make a code here. Printf, hello, my name is Ansh. Hello, my name is Ansh. Here it is, then semicolon, and let me call it in the main function. Here func1. So this is the example of recursive function which will call itself in the code and print hello, my name is Ansh for infinity times. Let me show you by running this. Yeah, here you can see it printed it many times and gone to infinity loop. In this condition, my program will crash and my Visual Studio may be crash. So let me delete the terminal here, restarting pty host. When it asks me, let me insert a new line character here. So guys, for stopping it from going to infinity loop, we have to use a condition. Yeah, restart pty host. So I am declaring a variable outside the functions as it is a global variable. So int a is equals to 0. So guys, this variable is gonna use in the function. So let me use it here. Make a condition. Yeah, if a is less than 11, then call function1. Yeah, it will call function1 if a is less than 11. Let me make an increment here for stopping it from going from infinity loop. So a plus plus here. So guys, this function will print hello, my name is Ansh for 10 times. Let me call it down from increment, as before increment it will not work. It will stop the increment because it will call the function before the increment here. So guys, in this function we have printed hello, my name is Ansh for 10 times. Let's check. Yeah, running the code. I think I've made an error. Yeah, I selected it. As you can see, this is printed for 10 times. Let me show you. Yeah, it is printed for 10 times, as 10 is less than 11, not 11 is less than 11. So guys, this was the example of recursive function. Hope you understand it. There are many ways to code it, and recursion is a simple way or easier way of a loop. So, guys, recursion is a separate function, and it is a lot easier than loops, lot simple, but we have to use many lines of code here. As for bigger programs, if we have to use short lines and make the program more efficient, then we use loops, and it is lot easier to use them in the bigger programs. As you can see, I have used 5 lines for a simple loop. It is a loop, obviously it will go to a loop. I can code it in 2 lines with the loop. So guys, this was the recursion, this was my video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.